And with that, we're now shifting focus. We are getting some breaking news. Mahabharat over Ramayana in Delhi just ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Now, this row erupted after Arvind Kejriwal misquoted Ramayana. He, in fact, misquoted Ravan's role in Sita's abduction. Now, the BJP has slammed Arvind Kejriwal, firing Chunavi Hindu barb. BJP has said that Aam Aadmi Party's Ram Rajya model is simply based on lies and that Kejriwal knows nothing about Hinduism. Now, this controversy erupted after Arvind Kejriwal misquoted Ramayana in his speech. In fact, he misquoted Ravan's role in Sita's abduction.
सोने का हिरन था, वो रावण सोने का हिरन बन के आया था और सीता मैया उस सोने के हिरन के ऊपर वो हो गया। तो उन्होंने ये कह रहे हैं कि रावण नहीं बन के आया था, मरीची राक्षस बन के आया था। तो मेरी वो पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज धरने पे बैठी है मेरे घर के सामने कि मैंने रावण का अपमान क्यों किया, मैंने रावण का अपमान कैसे कर दिया। पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इनको रावण से इतना प्यार है, राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति है इन लोगों की। मैं दिल्ली के झुग्गी वालों को और गरीब तबके को खासकर चेताना चाहता हूं कि अगर ये आ गए तो ये राक्षसों की तरह निगल जाएंगे आप लोगों को।
आम आदमी पार्टी ये कह रही है कि रावण के बारे में बात हुई, बीजेपी बचाव में आ गई। उनकी तरफ से ये डिफेंस आ रहा है जो कल अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा उसका।
देखो, मां सरस्वती राक्षसों का नाश हो, इसके लिए मां सरस्वती कभी कभी उनके दिमाग और वाणी में बस के ऐसी गलती करा देती है जिससे उन राक्षसों का नाश हो जाता है। अरविंद केजरीवाल बहुत चुनावी हिंदू बनते थे, चुनाव में बजरंगबली के भक्त बन जाते थे। कल मां शारदा सवार हो गई, सोने का मृग बन के मारीच आया था, रावण नहीं। तो जब तुम पढ़े ही नहीं, कभी जाने ही नहीं, तुम्हारा पाला ही नहीं पड़ा, तुम राम को जानते ही नहीं हो, सीता जी को जानते ही नहीं हो, ये तुमने परिचय दे दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी। तो राम को संकट में जान के माता सीता ने लक्ष्मण को भेजा, ये कह रहा है कि हिरण लाने को भेजा। आज अरविंद केजरीवाल का असली परिचय मिल गया कि ये आदमी महाधूर्त है, कट्टर, ये करप्ट होने के साथ साथ सनातन की एक जानकारी नहीं है, सिर्फ इनकी एक जानकारी है कि सनातन को नष्ट कैसे किया जाए, राम की कहानियों को कैसे विवादित बनाया जाए, और हम ये नहीं होने देंगे।
And my colleague Kritika is now joining us with more details on this. Kritika, after BJP's Chunavi Hindu attack on Kejriwal, now Kejriwal has hit back saying, why is the BJP so offended on a wrong remark over Ravan?
Well, definitely, Anjali. Since last evening, in fact, we're seeing that the BJP has been hitting out on Arvind Kejriwal and, in fact, on the entire Aam Aadmi Party, calling them Chunavi Hindu. This is something that we've also seen being projected by the BJP in form of the posts that they've put out on the social media platform X, even before this remark was made. So while yesterday in a public address, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had misquoted Ramayana, we saw that the top leadership of the BJP get active today. In fact, the Delhi BJP chief had visited the Hanuman Mandir here in Connaught Place to seek forgiveness and to pray for, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal. Now, in a press conference that Mr. Kejriwal had held just a while ago, he had again clarified that this remark that he's been misquoted refers to Ravan, and this shows that the BJP is, in fact, Ravan supporting. So this is what we're seeing play out now. Both the camps are hitting out at each other over this sort of a fumble that has happened, and it seems like over the course of the day it is not likely to die down. Earlier also we'd heard from senior AAP leader and former Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Manish Sisodia, who had also said the same thing, who had also accused BJP of currying favor in the name of Ravan, and said that BJP in fact are all supporters of Ravan, and the way people had suffered under the reign of Ravan is how Delhiites would be suffering in if the BJP were to come to power in these elections. So definitely war of words over this Ramayan reference that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had made yesterday. Over to you, Anjali.
All right, Kritika, thank you for getting us those details and for that context. With that, we're now shifting our focus. And we are all right. So there's a controversy that has erupted in Delhi between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, where the BJP has attacked Arvind Kejriwal over misquoting Ravan in one of his speeches. And Kejriwal has also hit back, saying that why is the BJP so offended over a wrong remark on Ravan?